I'm making Mujadara, Lebanese lentils and rice, but in a super easy rice cooker version. It's simple, filling family meal with everyday ingredients and nothing fancy. At the end, I add something a bit differently that actually worked way better than I expected. So let's start with the lentils. I'm using McKenzie's Australian whole grain lentils from Woolworths. I used about 1.5 cups and pre-cooked until they started to soften. Not fully cooked, okay? Just a head start because they will finish with the rice later. While that was happening, I prepared 1 cup of basmati rice and washed it until the water ran clear. Now, here comes the amazing part, rice cooker. I added little oil. Then I added diced onion and chopped garlic. I cooked them until soft and lightly colored, just enough to build the flavor, not fully caramelized, okay? Just a quick note, only saute in your rice cooker if your model allows it, otherwise do it in a pan first. Next, I added the partially cooked lentils and mixed everything gently. Now the key flavor, Lebanese 7 spice. I added about 1.5 spoonful plus salt to taste. It's warm and aromatic, not spicy, so start small if it's your first time. Once it smelled nice and fragrant, I added the washed rice and mixed everything together. Then I added water just slightly above the rice and lentil level. Adjust depending on your rice cooker and rice type. I'll level it out, close the lid and let the rice cooker do its magic. And this is the result. Fluffy rice, lentils still holding their shape and everything nicely cooked together. Simple, comforting food, rice, lentils and pantry ingredients, and the rice cooker makes it so easy. And if you like easy home cooking and Lebanese inspired recipes, subscribe for the next one. Thank you.